Welcome to the channel, it's your boy Ovrio, and today we're going to be reviewing the MSI MAG 275 QPF X30. This monitor features a 27-inch screen display, 1440p resolution, a rapid IPS panel, and a 1 millisecond response time. Getting it out the box was a little bit of a task, but once I got it out, it was very nice. It was packaged very nicely in there. It has the screen covered up pretty nice, the actual monitor display itself, and then it comes with a nice arm stand, a display to display basically HDMI cord, also the power cable to start up the monitor as well, no controller. The monitor also has no speakers as well. First impressions out the box, the monitor looks amazing. It's very heavy, as well as the stand, high quality, I believe so. As you guys see in the video, I'm starting up my PC, and you guys will see my first kind of little reaction here. You won't be able to hear it, but honestly, my first reaction when I saw the monitor display for the first time, I was honestly very impressed. Big difference compared to my 1080p monitor that runs at 144 Hz. The 1440p monitor is opening up for browsers completely different. It looks different. It looks cleaner. Not as pixelated as I would say. I don't know how to say that, but it doesn't look fuzzy. But yeah, that was my initial response, and it was just at 60 Hz. So like I could tell the quality difference between this monitor and my other monitor that was like $80 at the time when I bought it like a couple years ago. At this point, if you're still watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. For you guys that don't know, you do have to change in the settings the hertz for this monitor. From the manufacturer, it's going to be set at 60 Hz. You're going to want to set that up to 300 Hz or to your liking. If you guys want to actually see gameplay of me playing on this monitor, you should check out my video that I dropped yesterday about that. It's a good video to check out on my YouTube channel. Then in a little bit here, I show you guys the different settings you can choose in the monitor. So first setting is going to be the smart crosshairs. So the different crosshairs you can choose from. I think you have about 5 crosshairs that you can choose from. You can change the color of them, the positioning of them as well. Moving on to the next setting, you have game mode, which you can choose different game modes. So user is like custom, I guess, FPS, racing, RTS, and RPG. Response time, you have fastest, refresh rate. You can, I think it's an on and off, and then you can set up an alarm clock as well. So those are different settings you can choose from over there. Then moving on, you have pro mode as well. Then image enhancement, so you can enhance the image as well. Pro mode is going to be, you have eco, anti-blue, movie, office, so depending on the setting that you're using it in. And the rest of the settings are going to be like common stuff that you find in a monitor as well. So if you guys have any more questions or want to see any other content, please let me know down in the comments below. But so far, only owning it for a couple days, I do recommend it. It depends on what you have. I mean, if you have a 300 Hz 1080p monitor, depends on what you're running. I mean, if you have a GPU that's made for 1440p, I obviously recommend the upgrade. I have a 5070 Ti. That's why I felt like it was a need almost. Kind of felt like a dummy just running 1080p, so I had to try it out. So I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Peace.